Hello, I am Master Chef Michael Matterhorn, and today I will teach you how to make a Totino's party pack pizza in the microwave. Step 1. Go to the store and buy a Totino's party-sized pizza. I filmed myself doing this, but I was arrested and taken to court, and I am waiting for the footage to be released as part of the evidence in the case where they claim I was stalking. Next thing is get a plate from your house, or it does not matter where the plate is from, but you need a plate. So get a plate and use it for this purpose. Next step to make pizza is get pizza out of the microwave. No, what do you... Get the pizza... I fucked this all up. The next step to make the pizza is to get it out of the freezer, and then we will tell you the next step. The next step is to take it out of the package and put it on a plate. Maybe that is too many steps. The next one is take out of package. And then the next step is to put it on a plate. The next step is to put it in the microwave. Heat 4 minutes. The next step is to stare at microwave and wait for food. It is important not to get sidetracked with talking to your lawyer on the phone and wait too long after the 4 minutes to get the pizza out of the microwave. Because if you do this, it will not be as good as it could have been if you were not talking to your lawyer about the restraining order. Make sure you are on time getting the pizza. The last step, take out of microwave. Wait, that is not the last step because next is the last step is to enjoy the pizza. Here is me enjoying the pizza. And that is how you make a Totino's party pack pizza in the microwave.
Tell them to like and subscribe.
You should like and
Subscribe.
to join the academy for
University.
3 gnomes in a suit in a university. And
Alright,
thank
smile
you.
or something, you fucking weirdo. You look, smile. Alright, stop smiling, it's creepy. I didn't say we were done, sit back down. Fuck.